So my magical spread. I did show you also a little flourish you can do, which is kind of cool. It's called ribbon spread. And what happens is you're going to take your deck, and again, if it stands up straight like this, that can work, but what you really want to do is give it what's called a bevel. A bevel is going to be leaned over to the side like stairs. So really all you're doing is you're kind of laying on it and then pulling it just a little bit. And that makes a nice little bevel. It just kind of makes stairs like that. You can do it with this deck, and I kind of just pull it over a little bit. Okay? Remember, the direction that we're going to be working is going to be pushing down and pulling. All right? And that's really what makes the bevel work, is pushing down and pulling at the same time. It's a weird thing, but I'm pushing down into the desk and I'm pulling. And you'll notice that my fingers start to stretch out. Pushing down and pulling, pushing down and pulling. And the deck tends to spread itself out very, very nicely. It takes some practice, but pushing down and pulling, pushing down and pulling, pushing down and pulling. And eventually then, of course, you can lift one up and do the ribbon spread. You can go and do twin peaks by separating them. You can separate these. Sometimes I'm able to balance them and get an entire set, an entire mountain range going on, which is kind of cool. And that's a really neat thing you can do with it. It looks fancy, and people appreciate it. So you can have a lot of fun with it. And you can practice things in school, such as your letters. So we can do like an S, that sort of thing. Actually, just have fun with it. You can actually ribbon spread in just about any direction you want. So have a lot of fun with it. That's a ribbon spread. And I think you'll enjoy it.